If you are a photographer, you may want to download all your photos that you have taken from your camera to your computer. Now of course, you can use the basic Explorer, the operating system, to copy and download all those photos to the computer. But Adobe Bridge gives you a little extra. In Bridge, there is a camera button. When you click on that, it will open up Adobe Bridge Photo Downloader. This will help you to download your photos from your camera to the computer, as well as doing some processing on those photos, like adding metadata and other things as you copy those photos. Now, as I don't have any camera or card reader attached to my computer, but if you have, you will have that in list over here. Now this is the location where you want to copy all the photos from camera. We can browse and select the folder, and then it will copy all those photos and download it to the location you select over here. Also, you can create subfolders. You can create subfolders using these patterns, or you will be able to give a custom name. Then, if you want to rename those files, you can do it using this rename. If you want to delete the original files from your camera, you will check this button. If you want to save the copy to one more folder, a secondary location, you will check this option. After you finish all this, you click on Get Media, and all the files and photos from your camera will be downloaded to the location you have selected over here. And that will be based on the settings you have chosen. If you want to do something advanced, you will click on this Advanced dialog. Here you will be able to play with the metadata. Like you want to add some custom name, you can do that from here. You can also select which photos to take from this panel. When we click on the standard dialog, it will return over here. So this is how you will be able to download your photos from your camera or card reader to the computer. Thank you.